All right, imagine plugging into a modern Kia dashboard and watching the mileage data respond in real time through communication. Sounds intense, right? Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and you're watching Baabji Motors, your trusted space for real-world automobile diagnostics and advanced programming tools. Today's video is all about how the CGDI CG100X performs successful mileage correction on a 2024 Kia Carens using the CAN bus method, directly through the dashboard, no guesswork, no shortcuts. Before we go any further, here's a quick and important disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes. It is meant to guide technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts. All demonstrations follow fair use principles, and any tools, dashboards, or vehicle data shown are for learning only. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Now here's something interesting right from the start. In this case, the Kia Carens dashboard originally displayed 33,333 kilometers, and through a proper CAN bus procedure, it was safely modified to show 22,222 kilometers. That raises an important technical question for you. Why is the CAN bus method considered more reliable on newer Kia dashboards compared to older EEPROM-based techniques? Stay with me till the very end, because the answer explains a lot about modern vehicle electronics. Also, if you notice the tools used in this video and you're curious to work with the same setup, the exact CGDI equipment and adapters are linked in the description with affiliate tags. Using those links helps support Baabji Motors at no extra cost to you and keeps this kind of hands-on content coming. Now, let's smoothly step into the actual process. The first thing required is proper preparation. You need the 2024 Kia Carens instrument cluster removed and ready on the bench. Along with that, you need the CGDI CG100X programmer, the 35X CAN adapter, and a compatible CAN cable. This setup is critical because newer Kia dashboards communicate mileage data through CAN lines rather than storing it in a simple memory chip. Next, the CGDI CG100X is connected to a computer or laptop using a USB cable, and an external power supply is connected to ensure stable voltage. This is not optional. Stable power is essential, because CAN communication does not forgive voltage drops. Inside the CG100X software, the connection diagram is displayed, and it should be followed exactly as shown. After that, the 35X CAN adapter is plugged directly into the CG100X device. Then, using the CAN cable, the adapter is connected to the Kia Carens dashboard according to the software wiring diagram. This step is where many beginners rush, but patience here saves you from communication errors later. Once everything is connected correctly, the software navigation begins. Inside the CGDI interface, you select Dashboard, then Asian Car, then Kia, followed by Carens. After that, you choose the 2024 model with the specific CAN protocol listed for this cluster. This confirms that the software is talking to the correct dashboard configuration. At this point, the CGDI CG100X automatically reads the current mileage from the dashboard. In this case, it accurately displayed 33,333 kilometers without any manual input. You then manually enter the target mileage value, which here was 22,222 kilometers. Once confirmed, the process begins. You simply wait a short moment while the CGDI system writes the new value through the CAN bus. No soldering, no chip removal, no stress. And just like that, the mileage modification completes successfully. Watching a modern cluster update smoothly like this is one of those moments where technology quietly flexes its muscles, and yes, it feels oddly satisfying. Now let's circle back to the question from earlier. Why is CAN bus the preferred method on modern Kia vehicles? The answer is simple but powerful. Newer dashboards no longer rely on isolated memory chips for mileage storage. Instead, the data is managed through secure CAN communication, making direct EEPROM edits unreliable or even impossible. Tools like the CGDI CG100X are designed to communicate the same way the vehicle does, which makes the process cleaner, safer, and far more accurate. From my personal experience, this is exactly why the CGDI CG100X has become such a valuable tool for professionals working on late-model Asian vehicles. It respects modern vehicle architecture instead of fighting against it. Here's a quick bonus insight before we wrap up. Always double-check software updates inside your CGDI suite before working on the latest model year vehicles. New dashboards often receive protocol updates, and having the latest database can save you hours of troubleshooting. If this walkthrough helped you understand modern Kia mileage correction better, Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd genuinely love to hear how you're handling CAN-based dashboards in your workshop. And if this content resonates with you, support Baabji Motors by hitting like and helping us reach 10,000 likes. Drop your experience or questions so we can hit 1,000 comments, and subscribe for more real diagnostic knowledge. If you want to support the channel even further, consider joining the membership and checking out the affiliate tools linked below. Every bit of support helps us keep bringing you practical, no-nonsense automotive content. Thanks for watching till the end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing with Baabji Motors.